So here we've got an '02 Jaguar that had a clunking noise in the back, even after replacing the shocks. Which problem is that little bushing right there. They degrade and you can't get them out. Or they degrade and you have to replace them, I should say. So the quick and easy of replacing these, I've already got it apart. Take all your calipers and your brakes and this, that, and the other apart. Take your axle nut, which would be there. Of course, just let it go. Slide everything off. Then you take what I did was I took two Harbor Freight coil compressors and put on either side. Okay, compress your coil. You will have to take your shock loose there, push it up through the hole. Once you push it up through the hole, then I've just shoved a bolt through it just to hold it there, because of course it has to go through there. Then you compress your coils and you can slide that coil spring out and then just return the favor, put it back all back up in. Now to pull the whole spring out, you will have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 2 more under there, of the nuts off in order to be able to slide that whole coil assembly out at one piece. And then that would be if you were replacing your shocks. And make sure you go ahead and replace that piece there. Easy peasy. Looks hard, but it's not bad.